Hi guys, so tonight we're going to go ahead and do another song for you, and it is called Grandpa's Garden, and it is all about the love that my grandfather had for his garden and also me. And along with me tonight to do this song is my wonderful husband who's on the keys. So here we go, Grandpa's Garden. I remember Grandpa's garden many of years ago. He worked so many hours there, tilling, weeding, and a hoe. Well, his rows were always perfect. He always took his time. His garden was his pride and joy. Then it also became mine. I was only just a youngster, but I helped him in every way. We'd get up real early to start before the sunny day. He always had a job for me, and it was so much fun to spend hours with Grandpa, just one-on-one. Wasn't just a garden, it was a happy place for a kid to be. To watch the seeds sow, turn into plants that grow. Oh, how wonderful that garden was to me. I remember Grandma worrying each and every day. She said that her dear husband would probably pass away in that darn old garden that he loved so dear. He made a living off of it each and every year. Well, Grandma worked really hard in that garden too, but she was mainly in the kitchen, 'cause she had so much to do. Every year as summer came, she canned so many things. I still remember Grandma saying, "Can you hand me those ball jar rings?" Oh, Grandpa's garden wasn't just a garden, it was a happy place for a kid to be. To watch the seeds we sow turn into plants that grow. Oh, how wonderful that garden was to me. Oh, how wonderful that garden was to me. Okay guys, hopefully you liked that little song, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Take care.